Community-driven local development. CDLD is a revolutionary policy of the government of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa that fosters active participation and direct involvement of its citizens to improve service delivery and local governance for sustainable development.
इस हवाले से हमारी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इसमें काफ़ी इंगेज है। ईसीज को सब डिवीज़न लेवल पे जो है इसकी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट रेजोल्यूशन कमेटी का हेड भी बनाया गया है, जो अभी मीटिंग्स हो रही हैं और जो उनको प्रॉब्लम फेस आ रहे हैं वो दूर होते जा रहे हैं। मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि ये प्रोजेक्ट जो है वो रेप्लिकेट हो, बाकी तमाम खैबर पख्तूनख्वा के जो है डिवीजन्स हैं और अजला में उसमें भी रेप्लिकेट हो, क्योंकि डेवलपमेंट जो है लोगों के हाथों से हो तो वो उनको नज़र भी आती है, उनकी ऑनरशिप भी डेवलप होती है।
Since the inception of the CDLD program in 2015, the first phase of the program was launched in the 6 districts of Malakan division, including Chitral, Dir Lower, Dir Upper, Malakan, Shangla and Swat. Over a period of 3 years, the CDLD program has produced remarkable results. Communities expressed overwhelming response by submitting more than 23,000 applications for their priority development projects. From these applications, 4,062 projects worth 5.1 billion Pakistani rupees were approved, which are benefiting more than 3 million people. So far, more than 3.2 billion Pakistani rupees have been dispersed to communities, and 1,707 community projects are already completed.
मेरा नाम आसिम जान है, मैं प्रोफेशनली वकील हूँ। मैं शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ CDLD का, जिन्होंने इस पुल को यहाँ पे हमारे लिए इंस्टॉल किया। ये गांव जो है ये नदी के दोनों पार है और इस पुल की वजह से एक तरफ और दूसरी तरफ का बहुत ज्यादा रास्ता जो इसमें दिक्कत थी, इस पुल की वजह से उसमें बड़ी आसानी हुई है। एक तरफ दूसरी तरफ स्कूल से तलबा आते जाते हैं, उनके लिए बड़ी आसानी हुई है। तो मैं शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ KP गवर्नमेंट का, CDLD का, जिन्होंने इस पुल को यहाँ पे इंस्टॉल किया और लोगों के लिए ये बड़ी बेहतरी की और बहुत ज्यादा इससे मुस्तफीद हो रही है।
Based on the highly encouraging results, the government of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, with the assistance of its long-standing development partner, the European Union, are extending the benefits of the CDLD program to more districts over the next 3 years. Buner, Haripur and Nowshera have already been included in the program coverage areas, and more districts will be added soon. European Union and the government of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa will be jointly contributing 9.9 billion rupees in a phased manner until 2020 to sustain the implementation of CDLD program in 12 districts of the province.
زموږ په سکول کې مخکې د کمرو ډیر زیات تکلیف او واړو په برنده کې یا په چمن کې سبق وي، نو په غرمو کې او په باران کې به موږ ته ډیره زیاته مسلې وي. نو زه د دې ډیره شکریا ادا کوم چې هغه زمونږ دا مسله حل کړه او د خیبر پښتونخوا د صوبایي حکومت هم ډیره شکریا ادا کوم.
The government of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa has already taken steps to involve elected village and neighborhood councils in CDLD policy implementation. Nazims and secretaries in each village and neighborhood council are holding inclusive consultations to engage civil society, elected representatives and community members to identify the overall needs of the communities. These needs are then prioritized as projects in village council development plans for approval and funding under CDLD. On the directives of the Chief Minister Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, 6% of total budget is reserved for livelihood development projects, in addition to the 15% of the total budget allocated to women-specific projects.
जहाँ तक कम्युनिटी ड्रिवन लोकल डेवलपमेंट पॉलिसी की इम्प्लीमेंटेशन का ताल्लुक है, चूँकि इसमें जो लोकल कम्युनिटी है, मकामी लोग, वो शुरू से लेकर फ्रॉम द वेरी बिगिनिंग स्टेज, यानी प्रोजेक्ट आइडेंटिफिकेशन से लेकर उसको इम्प्लीमेंटेशन, फिर ऑनवर्ड मॉनिटरिंग एंड एवल्यूएशन और उसके बाद उसकी सस्टेनेबिलिटी, ये बहुत ही एक अच्छा प्रोविंशियल गवर्नमेंट का इनिशिएटिव है जिसमें कम्युनिटी प्रोजेक्ट को ओन करते हैं.
Benefiting from the existing local government system, government officials and elected representatives have been assigned key roles to integrate the CDLD approach in development planning in an institutionalized manner. This will ensure the continuity and sustainability of development initiatives that have been taken under the CDLD program.
CDLD is a unique project of the government of KPK that is run in collaboration with the European Union, and the people are implementing the projects through their own CBOs. So it is different from the other development projects, and we hope that it will be extended in the region And after its completion, people will be feeling a marked difference in the area in terms of infrastructure and building the bridge between the communities and the government.
With the CDLD program going in its extension phase, there is more to look forward to in terms of community involvement for sustainable development in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa.
As the CDLD Winds of Change are carrying new opportunities and possibilities into communities in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, we are not building walls, but opening up new roads to economic opportunity.